So we'll just warm our body up a little bit. Slow jumps. Nice. Sides. Forward. Okay. Now stretch your legs. Side. Yes. Keep your back leg straight and down. Down. Go down. And wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come. This side. Down. Yes. Up. Sit. Now, relax your leg. Up. Hold. Other leg. Try to push it close to your body. Change one more time. Other side. Now rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Now high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now head. Opposite side. Okay. Hands forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hand forward. This side. Yes. Up. Down. Push your elbow down. Change. Okay. Now upper body twist. Keep your feet grounded. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now up and down. Keep your legs a little together. Breathe in. Breathe out and go down. Touch the floor. Up. Continue. Breathe in and go down. Breathe out. Up. Breathe in. Breathe out and go down. One last time. Up. Breathe out, go down and hold. Hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Up. Very nice. Now hands on both the sides. Feet facing forward. Now turn your right foot. Shift your upper body. Only this from here. Shift your upper body and go down. Come back. Shift back your leg and shift back your body. Now go to the other side. Same thing. Oh, come back. Do the same thing 2 more times. Okay. Hips forward. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, warmed up, ready for dancing? Yes. So before we get into the choreography, since this is an intensive, we'll spend more time on the basics that we use in the choreography. So first we'll learn the turns and the walks and the hands and all of that separately. Then we'll go to the choreography. It will be easier for us to pick up the choreography. Okay. We'll first look at a few chakkars or turns that we use. Okay. So first of all, to start from the very basic, we will turn our leg to the back and keep it tap. Okay. Again, turn forward and tap. We'll do this a few times. 5, 6, 7. Go. Turn and tap. Turn and tap. Now try to use only the heel. Okay. Instead of stepping it like this, try to use the heel and tap. Heel and tap. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. Heel and tap. Heel and tap. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Heel, tap, heel and tap. Super. Can I see the side? 5, 6, 7. Go. Heel and tap. Heel and tap. We'll take a full circle. So if you're going this way, continue this way. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. Heel and tap. Heel and tap. Very nice. This side. 5, 6, 7. Go. Heel and tap. Heel and tap. Very nice. We'll do it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. Heel and tap. Heel and tap. heel and tap, 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 heel and tap. Can we try it this way? Now use the, okay, do you need a minute? Okay, are we ready to go to the other side? Left heel, okay? Heel and tap. Again, heel and tap. We're using the left heel, everyone. 5, 6, 7, go. Heel and tap, heel and tap, heel and tap, heel and tap. Super. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Heel and tap, heel and tap. So, heel. If you're using the left leg to turn, we're tapping the right leg. So, don't get confused, okay? Comfortably turn your foot like this, and when this leg comes behind, take it and tap. Again, one more turn and tap. 5, 6, 7, go. Heel and tap, heel and tap. You're using the same leg to tap. So it will become more difficult. It's easier if you tap the other leg, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Turn. Now, yes. Turn and tap. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Heel and tap, heel and tap. Can we do it once together? 5, 6, 7, go. Heel. Now this leg, yes, tap. Heel again and tap. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, go. Heel and tap, heel and tap, heel and tap, heel and tap. Okay. So ideally we should be able to take one full turn without the break. So can we try that? Can we try 1 and tap, 1 and tap? One full turn we'll try. 5, 6, 7. Also, while taking the turn, don't lift your leg up. Then the balance becomes a problem. Let it slide across the floor, and then only when you reach forward, lift the leg. So if this happens, we might lose balance, okay? So let it slide across the floor and then tap. Again, 1 and tap, okay? 5, 6, 7, go, turn, tap. Let's use a right heel now first. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. No, not the complete one we'll do. Not the break. Without the break, without breaking at the back, we'll do a complete turn and come forward. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Turn and tap. Super. Turn and tap. Turn and tap. Turn and tap. Turn. So slide this across the floor and then tap. 5, 6, 7, go. Turn and tap. Turn and tap, turn and tap, turn and tap. Okay, take some time. Hello. Hi. Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Good? All good? Yes? Can we try left side now? 5, 6, 7, go. Turn and tap, turn and tap, turn and tap, turn and tap. Yes? Okay, perfect. So this would be our heel turn. Okay? It's going to get easier. So, try not to lift it completely. If you lift while you're turning, you will lose balance. So try to slide it across the floor only when you reach forward, tap. Yes, that's better. Okay. Now, another turn that we usually use is stepping and turning. So either step back or forward and then turn. Okay. We will try that. Take your right leg, step forward and then take a turn. So this way, when you're taking the turn, can you look at my legs once? This goes on the heel and this goes on the toe. Okay, see how that happens. Okay. Everyone's able to see? Again, cross, and whichever leg is crossing will go on the heel and the other leg will go on the toe. Like this. Okay? Yes. Can we try that? Step and turn. Yes. Very nice. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Go. Step and turn. Step and turn. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Step and turn. You're good. Yes. You want to move a little bit more back? Yes. 5, 6, 7, go. Step and turn. Step and turn. Step and turn. Okay? We'll do the same thing to the other side. Now, whichever leg is coming forward will be on the heel or toe? Heel. Okay? Whichever leg is coming forward will be on the heel. This way. Okay? And the other one will go on the toe. Yes? 5, 6, 7, go. Step and turn. Step and turn. Step and turn. Step and turn. We'll take a break from turns for a while. I think we're all going somewhere. Okay. Yes, we will do a bit of hands and then come back to this. Okay? This is not done. Good. Okay. Next, we will go to a jump that we're going to use in this dance. Okay? It's a very simple one. Most of you will be familiar, but let's break it down and learn. Okay? It's 1 and cross. That's all. Okay? 5. So what we're going to do is lift and cross. Yes. Perfect. That's all. So without the jump, it would be lift, place and cross. Can we do without the jump? Okay. I'll come this side for a bit. 5, 6, 7, go. Lift, place and forward. 5, 6, 7, go. Lift, place and forward. Okay, that's it. 5, 6, 7, go. Lift, place, forward. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Lift, place and forward. Again, everyone together. 5, 6, 7, go. Lift, place, forward. Very nice. So whenever your feet is gonna hang, okay, it's in mid-air or something, try to keep it pointed whenever. It looks neater that way. So when you're lifting it like this, if you place it like this and if you place it like this, there's a lot of difference. There's a lot of neatness to the pointing. So try to point your feet whenever it's hanging. Okay, let it not hang like this. Let it be pointed. Okay. So we're going to lift, place and yes. Again, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. Perfect. Now let's try it with a jump. 1 and 2. Okay? Yes. 1, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. 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 Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Super. Perfect. Now, try not imagining. So we're going to travel with this leg movement. So we have to travel somewhere. We're using this jump to travel either to the diagonal or forward or to the back. Okay? Let's see how to do that. So we'll step a little away from our position, original position, while we're doing the jump. So it will go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, like that. Okay? Can we try moving with that? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Since we're using this leg, there is a tendency for us to lift this first. If we lift this, then there's no movement. It's done, right? So, if we have to move in the right direction, right leg should be lifted first. Remember it that way. If we have to move in this direction, if we place this, then no, we are blocked, right? So, we have to lift this only first. Then only this will come. Always the other leg will follow. Whichever direction we are moving in, that leg will lead. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's move in that direction. Stay here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Perfect. Okay. Yes. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. So what all did we learn first? We learned 2 types of turns, chakkars, and this jump. Yes, we'll do a recap of all 3 now. First, the heel turn, then the cross turn. Okay, 5, 6. Let's try to do the heel turn from the right. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and tap. 2 and tap. 3 and tap. Okay. Now this side. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and tap. 2 and tap. 3 and tap. 4 and tap. Okay. That's done. Let's do the jump and then come to the next. Come. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the cross turn. 5, 6, 7. Go. Cross and turn. Cross and turn. Other side. Cross. Turn. Cross and turn. Yes, we are clear with so much. We'll take a quick water break. Then we'll continue. We'll move to the hands. Okay, 3, 4 hand movements we'll learn and then we'll go to the choreography. So all of you, this is going to be a basic hand. Okay, whenever we're doing something Kathak based choreography from the Kathak vocabulary. So we'll place our hands very softly in front of our chest. Whenever you're placing any hand in front of your chest, don't place it too close. Okay, we should always make sure that it's away from the chest. Yes, very nice. So that itself gives a lot of neatness and clarity to the movements. If we keep it like this, our movements become restricted. Let's place it away from the chest. And if you want to get an idea, at least 2 fist distance from the chest. Okay, cool. Now the hands are going to be flowy. Okay, let's try to just quickly loosen the hands a bit. Yes, very nice. Okay. So here, if you notice, the wrist is moving. This is just following. We're not actively trying to do this to our hands. We're just moving our wrist and the palm is flowing with the movement. Yeah? Yes. Try to take it away like this. Yes. Loosen it a bit. Nice. Now take it inside. Yes. Very nice. Again, one more time. Yes. Let it not be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Let it flow. Let it have a flow to it. Try not to keep this part stiff. But again, that doesn't mean we can have this part moving, right? This here, it will be stiff. Our movement will happen in the wrist and the surrounding area. Yes? Okay. Now let's see how to take it up and down. 1 and bring it down. Okay. 2 and bring it down. Very nice. 3 and bring it down. 4 and bring it down again. Up, down, up, down, up and down, up and down. Again. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up and down. So if you see, we're taking it out and bringing it back. Again, up, taking it out and bringing it back. Up, out and bringing it back. Up, out and back. Now for our dance, we're going to have to take a simultaneous movement. So we'll go up, down and here. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very important thing to note is once this goes up and when it's coming down, it should stop right where it started, not below, not above. Okay? So 1, 2. Even if this looks like a very casual movement, there is a measurement to it, right? So we cannot have it like this. We have to take it, bring it back to the same exact position. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So what we're going to do is, while this is coming down, this is going up. We're not going to take this entirely and then let this go up. This is going to be 1 and then 2. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Okay, perfect. Next movement, take your hands like this. Okay. Then what we're going to do is, we're going to cross and open. Okay. So from here, cross, open, cross and open. Super. Very nice. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the hand movement. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when this is happening, we will try to sway our body along with our right hand. So if this goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are following the right hand, not the left. Okay. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very beautiful. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also. Now next element is our head. So let's try to keep our chin a little up. Okay. And so that our chin is leading. Okay. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very beautiful. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. Okay. Now, yes. Now take your hands inside and let it go out. Okay. Again, in and out. In. So if you notice, we're taking it in. Once we reach here, we're going to flip it like this. Again, we'll take it in. We'll reach here and then out. Again, in. Take it out and out. Again, in. Take it out and out. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now let's try to take our body also. So body will lean towards the hand. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, please join me doing a bit of basic steps, okay? We've not started the choreography yet. You can join us, yeah? 5, 6, 7. Go. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay? Ready? Yes. Okay. So we'll do a recap of the steps of the hand movements. What all did we do? We started with this. 5, 6, 7. Go. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now Simultaneously, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Very nice. Next. Yes. Now take your hands like this. So body moves along with the right hand. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Try to take your chin along. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next. The last one. Yes. 5, 6, 7, go. In, out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Again. In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Yes? Remember the chakkars that we did? Yes? Again, what else did we do? The jump. Yes? Now we did 3 hand movements. Okay? I think we're done with the foundation. Now we can slowly move to the choreography.